Make a great choice today with the 2017 Jeep Renegade. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.4-liter engine. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic parking brake, roof rails, traction control, stability control, roll stability control, daytime running lights, remote engine start, braking assist, ambient lighting, power brakes. Inside you'll find rear view camera, leather trim seats, airbags, driver, knee, heated steering wheel, electronic messaging assistance, capless fuel filler system, cruise control, cargo area 12-volt power outlet, multifunction display, child safety locks. The Jeep Renegade offers full-size capability built in a smaller SUV. The Jeep Renegade is an incredible combo of smart technology, cool colors, and innovative materials. It has a capable command center with the tools you need for discovering everything that's out there. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.